Jumping scissors. Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
All right, it's fall and autumn, and so we're gonna make a burlap pumpkin, and I think you could use it for Halloween if you wanted to, or sometime in the fall, or just, I don't know, anytime's the right time for a pumpkin.
It's just fun.
It's just fun. So when we started Alameda Arts, we didn't really have much of anything, but somebody gave us rolls and rolls of burlap that we didn't know what to do with for a long time, and then we discovered we could make a cute pumpkin with it. So I want to use as much of this burlap as I can, and I need to make it a circle. And so I found this bowl that we use to put bananas in when we have snacks or dry snacks. So we're going to use whatever you have that's a big circle. However you want to make a big circle, you could eyeball it, but I'm going to just make a circle. Then we have these great scissors that Miss Kate got for us. There you have it. There's my circle. The thing about sewing the pumpkin is that you don't even have to be very fancy. I'm using this kind of thicker thread. You could use a big needle. It doesn't have to even be a pointy needle. And you could even use yarn to sew with. Now I'm just making kind of maybe 1-inch stitches. I think that if you sew and gather as you go, it's easier than sewing the whole circle and then trying to pull it. So you're getting it used to being scrunched up. If you're doing this, you got to stay away from the edge because burlap will fray really easily, and then it may not last. And then this is kind of going to be the stem too. So I'm going to get my newspaper and punch it up into a little ball and stick it in. Okay, so see how we did that? Now this is kind of the most fun part of the whole project. Snug, snug, snug. Scrunchy, scrunchy. I like the newspaper in there. Scrunchy, scrunchy. Okay, now I'm just going to take the needle and go through. Okay, so like, it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna do like that. I feel like that's scrunchy enough, right? Pumpkin-ish. And then if I'm teaching the kids to sew, I usually say make 3 or 4 stitches in the very same place. 1, 2, 3, 4. I almost poked myself. And then I might give it a little trim. Okay, so that's kind of cool, right? Look at that. Then I have some pipe cleaners, and I had some felt. I got dark green, and then I found this green. I kind of looked up what pumpkin leaves look like, but I'm gonna not really be super fancy about it. I think they kind of just gonna make a leaf. I think they have pointy edges, but you know, it's leaf-ish. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my pipe cleaner. I'm gonna wrap it around my finger like it's coming out of the vine. And I'm just going to stick it in like that. Simple, kind of easy, because you're not going to really you're just going to make this and it's going to go on a table, so it doesn't have to be super perfect. And then I brought my friend tacky glue, and I'm gonna just put a little line of tacky glue. And then I've made a really fun, kind of repurposed burlap pumpkin. And now my pumpkins have friends. Hello, pumpkin friend. Happy fall, happy, you know.
Thanksgiving, happy everything.
Yeah, happy everything. Thanks for coming. Bye, friends.
See you soon.
See you next time.